Now you should learn about heating and cooling load calculation. As you know that heating and cooling load calculation is most important in HVAC system, because on the basis of heating and cooling load calculation we can design our whole system. So before we go to cooling load calculation, first of all we can learn about the basic principles of heat transfer. So as you know that heat can always transfer from one place to another place. So what are the basic principles of heat transfer? So first is that heat energy cannot be destroyed or it cannot be created. So we cannot create or destroy our heat always change from one form to another form. As you see over in your surrounding, by burning fuel we can get heat, from mechanical to other form of energy we can get energy. So everywhere heat can be transferred from one state to another state. So second is that heat always flow from higher temperature region to lower temperature region. So if we have two space, one having hot air and one is cold space, then you see that the after some time the temperature of both space will go at same level, because heat always transfer from higher temperature region to lower temperature region. So third is that heat can transfer from one substance to another substance. Heat always, as we know that heat always flow, so that's why it can transfer from one substance to another. So now we discuss about the modes of heat transfer. So there are three basic modes of heat transfer. First is conduction, second is convection, and third one is radiation. So first of all we discuss about conduction heat transfer. So in conduction heat transfer, energy is transferred by direct contact. So when you when you when you see that when two bodies are in contact with each other, and one is hot and other is at normal region, but when after some time you see that the heat is transferred from that body to another body. Similarly, um, if you place your hand on a hot body, then you feel pain, and your body temperature on your hand temperature also increase. This is due to conduction heat transfer, that the heat transfer from that hot body to your hand. Similarly, next mode of heat transfer is convection heat transfer. So in this heat transfer, energy is transferred by the mass motion of molecule. So if we place a warm hot water or warm object in a space, then after some time we see that the temperature of that warm water or that hot body decreased, but the temperature of surrounding air increased, because when the air flow on that body, then the molecules of air absorb heat from that body or from that water. So this mode of heat transfer is convection heat transfer. So third one is radiation heat transfer. So in third, energy is transferred by electromagnetic radiation. You see uh, the sun from the sun, the energy is transferred to earth, heat energy is transferred to earth. So this heat transfer is with the help of electromagnetic radiation. So these are three modes of heat transfer.